Alright, now looking at numbers 11 and 12. So once again, I'm only going to do number 11 because 12 is the exact same thing, except they gave it to you in graph form, not in the picture form. So on this one, we're going to be using the distance formula. So this is really just knowing how to plug things into the formula. So the distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so I need to know just exactly how to plug these things in. So x1, that's over here. It doesn't really matter which one you pick as x1 or x2 as long as you keep the 1s and 2's together. x1, y1. And then negative 2, negative 4, I'll just choose that as x2, y2. Alright, so now I need to plug my numbers into the equation exactly as they are. So from step to step, don't skip around because you might mess up. So x2, what is that? That's negative 2. Minus, what's x1? 7. Squared. Plus y2, what's y2? That's negative 4. Minus y1, what's y1? That's 9. There we go. Next step, I'm going to simplify what's inside the parentheses. What's negative 2 minus 7? That's negative 9 squared. Plus, what's a negative 4 minus 9? That's a negative 13 squared. Next, I'm going to square each of these numbers. So negative 9 squared is the same thing as saying negative 9 times negative 9. If you multiply two negatives, what happens? It becomes positive. So that's going to be 81 plus negative 13 times negative 13, or negative 13 squared. That is going to be 169. And then from there, you just add these numbers together. So 81 plus 169 is 250. And you're going to use your calculator to find the closest number. So that would be about 15.81. And that would be your answer. So in number 12, you can do the exact same thing. Just find the values of the endpoints. So for example, L is going to be 2, negative 2, and then M is something. And then you do the exact same thing you did for number 11.